around, feeling free, thinking about what's happened to me from July up till now. Don't know where, don't know how. Lately I've
Hello, welcome to my channel, Vintage and Home Decor. Um, Today I'm starting to decorate. Originally, the first video what I'm trying to make, I wasn't really like the good one. This one is more lifelike, so I'm gonna use this one. So just gonna quickly kind of clean this up because I don't know you guys, but I always make it such a huge mess with Christmas decoration. Behind me the wall, that was DIY. You can find it in my channel. Show you everything how I made it. It's a pain of labor of work, but it's really pretty look, and you save lots of money, and I think it look amazing. The fireplace was white and my husband painted it black. The mirror was coming with a dresser, like a where you're making your makeups and stuff. But I'm using that table for a TV stand, and the mirror I actually used clay to design a frame around it and painted it gold and used gold foil to decorate it a little bit more better. So because it's November, I'm starting to decorate for Christmas after the 31st. In my home, the 31st is Day of the Dead. We celebrate our loved ones to going out to the cemetery and light up candles and taking flowers and stuff like that to the cemetery. So after the November 1st, I started to usually making my starting to do my Christmas decoration. I kind of going out every year, like everything is glittery and sparkly and multicolored lights and stuff like that. This year I'm more into the moody, the minimal, the clear, the natural colors. But just because I sorry guys, at the same time I'm trying to put up this curl on. Usually I buying my stuff from secondhand stuff, like really not spending a lot for Christmas decoration because I repurpose and reuse my existing decoration, just make it look different style every year kind of thing. Um, this time of the year is like people spending so much money on decoration, on presents and stuff, and we're living in a very difficult time where it's money short for everyone, so I'm trying to do everything on budget. So I think this is the girl what I find in a second-hand store, a charity shop last year or something like that, and I think this is what I'm gonna use now here. The first one what I put in up, I wasn't like it at all. It's kind of like it doesn't look real, like very plasticky looking stuff. So I think I'm gonna use this one, and I'm gonna show you guys a couple of inspiration pictures in the video through this decoration, what I do, what is coming. Usually I look at on Pinterest and I type in like Moody Christmas design, and I'm making a safe wall for myself, and then it's under like you can put it down like a Christmas decoration, fireplace decoration, and then you can give you a guide on that direction. Obviously you can use whatever you want and whatever you have in your hand to decorate. It's just I'm trying to give a kind of like a inspiration for you guys how can make it look something cheap or second hand look beautiful. Now this garland have two different type of pine and berries. This one is from, I got it last year or before the year in the Poundland for £5 I think. So I'm gonna mix these ones, so make it a little bit more full. This garland where I just put it up. The main thing is always fluff your garland, and then trying to make look like as full as you can. zhuzh here, zhuzh there, and then it's gonna be looking, mixing together the pines, giving you a fuller look and a more natural look. In my inspiration picture actually was the garland was top of the fireplace, not hanging, because usually I always hang it on one side. This time I just hang it in one side down, kind of like floating down, and it's gonna be in the top of the fireplace. Try to make it a little bit zhuzh up, and always step back and check it if you like it or not. Then what I thought, I said I like to mix them up a little bit, different pines and different colors. I got this one from Cutie for $2.49 a piece. I thought I can use it in my garland design. Kind of thinking to put it in both sides. Zhuzh here, zhuzh there. Under it. Excuse me, my husband having recorded a couple of days now, and he's coughing in the background. He's doing better, but the cough is there. I'm just gonna step in back and looking again. Is it looking good or not? I like more this side than this side here, so I'm gonna move my steam a little bit down and then just like the other one, kind of like showing more. I'm gonna stand back again, looking at it. I think is getting there and is beautiful. Now I will say, you guys, if you have a light what using every year, before you put it on, please check it, because lots of people recording, put it up the light, and then turning out is not working. Now I got this Victorian white multifunction LED light from QD. I think there was $7.99 or something. I always having a multicolored one, but this time I want to use just clear white. Sorry, clear white. Now it's coming like this, and then you can put it together, twist it around, and then obviously in the end of it have a little button, and you can turn it on and turn it off when you want it. So I'm gonna put it on the light first, and then we're going from there. I like to say put the light on first, because that's give you that you can hide your lights kinda, but in the same time you actually, before you decorate, you know actually it's working or not. But how I said it should be work. Come on, if it's not working, I'm going back to QD. That's a 100 string light, I think. Yes, I think it's more than enough here on the fireplace. I don't think so here. On a garland you need more than a 100, unless you have like a huge long place to decorate. I like to go in like crisscross motion, like so the light can be anywhere and everywhere. Yeah, the mirror I using here because in my inspiration is every fireplace above the fireplace have a mirror. But how I said it, I do not want to buy. I'm trying to do everything on budget. My husband can tell you. I do lots of things, lots of projects to save us money, not spending like a lot for like I don't know, you guys went to the shop, any shop. Doesn't matter where you go, there is like the door door bread form or bread is like 30 pound and 40 pound. That's just too much. I did it mine for about like 5 pound or so, like really not much. I usually saving everything and then redesign it next year, or buying from second-hand shop, and if I don't like the design, I redesign it again. So lots of my stuff where I invest money is like greenery, stuff like that, and I can really use them. Like these leaves you can reuse after Christmas for winter decoration. Because usually I always decorating like spring, summer, fall. I love fall decoration. I love those colors. Um, so how I said it, I like to decorate for winter, for Christmas. Fall is my favorite. So anyways, let's continue with the decoration. So we done the lights. It's working, it's beautiful. I love it. I actually love it just like this. But I done a couple of DIY beforehand. I did two of this Christmas tree. I painted it black the bottom, and I knitted some like 3 or 4 line wide string, and I just glue it around it. I think it will be look pretty between the greenery. I'm not 100% sure, but we keep continuing. The other thing what I was collecting now a long time is brass candle holder, which is I gonna use again between the greenery. I got the red candles from range, and the black one is under beyond, well, one beyond. There was a Halloween candle, but I use it as in my decoration. Candle is candle kind of thing. So all of the candle holder, what you can see, I was collecting them. They are really pretty design. Most of it I bought it from eBay. Some of them I actually got it from second-hand shops. And the candle is from Range, the white with white with the sparkle, gold sparkle. They are so beautiful, these candle holders. I love them. I think so it's giving you an elegant look, and the black is giving you some moodiness, moody. This candle holder, I got it for $170 something for a pair from eBay. I was thought that's a good deal for them. But how I said it, most of it I ordered from eBay or I thrifted. I'm gonna step back again and looking at it, something with my candles isn't right. We're gonna go back to this one. Do not like it that way. And by the way, I'm not gonna light the candles. It's just decoration. I do not like and not wish to light up in a way. Um, it's dangerous. The red color, like a velvet red, deep red, is very Victorian. Um, Look what I like, vintage, obviously, and um, moody. I don't know now. I'm on that stage where I like moodiness. So this side, I think, to give it some dimension, I'm gonna use some books where I was thrifted to kind of give it some rise for the items here. I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna do it with you guys, so now just to make it a little bit more nicer, we're gonna use this one. I got it from charity shop for like 99p or 49p, something like that. I'm gonna hang it up a little bit this way. And then we're gonna grab a couple of bubbles, what we have here. Oh, I said it, I usually reuse and repurpose things. Now I done this like just acrylic paint, black acrylic paint, using like this natural light brown color. Obviously I mixed the acrylic paint together to giving me the right colors. So, but what I thinking to have here, kind of, because I'm going for the movie look, thinking to use more like a darker colors to hanging. So giving you a little bit of the bubble, giving you some Christmas feelings. So guys, I got some thread and making the bubbles a little bit, like one of them a little bit more down, the other one a little bit more up, kind of thing. So I got my string, and this is gonna be a little bit longer, so a little longer. So I'm just gonna tie. I have a couple of bubbles, one is like dark color itself, and I was thought they are pretty. I think last year we got it from BMM, and I think so they're pretty, like blue and purplish, darker colors. So I think this is what I'm gonna use here, going with the darker theme, but in the same time it's still gonna be like a kind of like a Victorian Moody uh, design. The bubbles is gonna be looking good here. But at the end of it anyways, always step back and always check your work, and you can decide if you like it that way or you like to be doing something else, or changing things around. I leave this one short just to give a little bit of floating here. I think here is we're gonna have a little bit of a problem because I left one hooks out, so I just trying to get my string, and then I just easily gonna remove it here, and then this one back to here. That's it. There we go, problem solved. From that color, that's it what we have. We have one more that pot doesn't have top, or we can easily DIY sometime. So I just gonna use a small one, different one. We will figure it out. Okay. We have some other, which is a little bit different, but looking very Victorian style. I said it, I have it, some of them like 3 years. This one is from like 3 years ago. It's like I'm gonna show you guys. It's like kind of like glittery inside, and having some lace around it. Now this is I used it in some of my other decorations, so a little bit have to fix some of them, but one more to the other side a little bit lower. So again, I'm gonna get my thread. Pull it through the hole. You make it as long as you want, and you're using your colors, what you want to decorate for. This year I'm just showing some ideas, some design, and through all the way until Christmas, some obviously some DIYs. We're gonna make some pillowcases, lots of other things like decorating, designing. This is how it's looking like now. I'm gonna step back and I'm gonna looking at it. Almost forgot. I have this ring here a long time. First was like a checkered color, then a pink sparkly, and now a black and gold sparkly. I almost forgot I had these, so you can use it in my design. Now I step back. Now I'm looking at it again. Not sure, guys. Just don't really like this one in the middle. Pull it out. Change it from the green to this one. Let's see now. So much better. I like it this way. So we can use the Christmas tree other place to decorate. So guys, this is how it looks like. I think I just added this like a burgundy velvet bow. Is very much you can find in a Victorian home decor. The velvet, the red. So this is, guys, how you look like. I think it looks so cool with the book. It's a little bit raising up the candles in one side. Very simple. Very elegant. And most of my items, so I said it, repurposed and reused. Or I thrifted. I think it's coming out so good, two different type of cone and extra little stem what I got from the cutie. I think so. It's all together coming out really nice. Very elegant, very simple, natural. So if you guys curious about how I made this wall, don't forget check out my videos, and there I'm gonna show you guys everything what you have to know how I made it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you wasn't subscribed yet. Will mean a lot to me. Have a good day and have a blessed evening, guys. Bye.